Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are here to delve into how to manage third-party risks, which are a critical aspect of our business operations. You might be wondering, why is this a big deal? Well, our business is a part of an interconnected web, working with vendors, suppliers, and business partners. If there's a problem anywhere in this web, it can affect us too. How do we tackle this? We use a simple three-step process: identify, assess, and mitigate. Step 1 is identify. It's about recognizing the potential risks from our third-party associations. Suppose one of our suppliers is facing financial troubles, or a key partner's reputation takes a hit. Both can affect us, but first, we need to identify these risks. Next up, we assess. We take that list of risks we identified and evaluate their likelihood and potential impact. If a key supplier is in financial trouble, could it disrupt our supply chain? Could our partner's reputation issues tarnish our own image? It's all about figuring out what could possibly go wrong and how much it could sting. Finally, mitigate. This is where we get proactive. We devise strategies to reduce these risks. Maybe it's about diversifying our suppliers or setting up contingency plans. Or perhaps it's about actively working with our partner to help them improve their reputation. Theory is great, but practice is where the rubber hits the road. Let's take a real-world example. Suppose one of our partners faces a major cybersecurity breach. We identify the risk of potential data loss or unauthorized access, assess its impact on our customer data and systems, and finally mitigate it by enhancing our security measures, ensuring our data is safe, and perhaps reevaluating the partner's access to our systems. Then there are risks that are not so obvious. For instance, what if a vendor we work with has questionable labor practices? If uncovered, it could lead to reputational damage for us, given our commitment to ethical sourcing. Our strategy: we could conduct regular audits, develop a code of conduct for our vendors, and have contingency plans if a vendor fails to meet our standards. In essence, managing third-party risks is a bit like navigating a ship through a storm. We need to stay alert, constantly scanning the horizon, and have our strategies ready to steer clear of trouble. Thanks for joining in today. Let's work together to keep our ship sailing smoothly.